Hello and welcome. We're here at Microwave Utilities test facility to show you our new machine today. It's called the Micro Thaw. The purpose of this machine is to thaw out this type of situation, which is a frozen valve box. This particular valve box is for gas. This machine can also be used in the water to thaw out water valve boxes as well. So to let you know, it was about 7 degrees here last night, still pretty cold. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this machine, thaw out the cap first. Now we move the machine over top of the cap of the valve box. We're going to thaw that out. I wanted to explain a couple of the components. One of them is we have a skirt that goes around the bottom of the machine that contains any extra microwave energy that might be loose or stray energy. So we put that around the bottom of the machine with Velcro. It's very simple to do. Just like that. And then we also use an energy tester. What we want to make sure is that there's no health or safety issues for the operator of the machine. So once the machine is running, I'll go around the machine with this device to be sure that there are no stray microwaves. Okay, after an elapsed time of just 10 minutes, we're going to remove the machine and show you how the cap looks. You can see it's pretty hot, warm to the touch, no problem. Now we're going to switch horns. We'll use this small horn to direct the microwave energy right down the valve box. The purpose behind that then is to thaw the ice that's in there. Let's see how we did. There you have it.
155.
Okay guys, so there you have it. We went from frozen solid to 155 degrees, basically 10 minutes on the cap to loosen it up. Then when we went to put the waveguide straight into the valve box, 15 minutes, we went from solid ice to 155 degrees with no damage resulting. All safe, easy for you to do. Thanks for watching.